And yes, here with my second part, this time in English. I was talking about the Chevrolet Viking model 1959. Viking, sorry. Okay, and I have posted this picture of a Chevrolet Viking. Okay, uh, that needs some kind of a restoration or taken to yes, a museum or some salvage. This boss, this well worthwhile doing this, even it cost lots of money. And I used to ride in this bus when I was 14 years old. As I didn't have my father didn't raise me and my mother. I lived with her until she was hospitalized due to lung disease, lung disease. Okay, tuberculosis in Spanish, and then I was taken to to some place, to live with a family. Whenever vacations on our vacations or holidays, this bus would arrive there in the driveway. We board the bus and travel to the beach or sometimes long distance along the Venezuelan territory. The bus belonged to the government, okay, Department of for kids who didn't have a family, and it is referred to in English as yes, a shelter for children. I don't remember the word. Okay, and now let me show you another picture. And yes, here is the other picture I wanted to show you, and this time this is Rio, REO. Okay, this Rio, I used to ride on this bus. Later, one year or 2 years later, when my mother got out of got out of the hospital, she was released from hospital, and then we went to live with my my father-in-law. Okay, I used to ride this bus when I going to school. Okay, and then this Rio was fit with a gas engine, too quiet, but this time the coach was not particularly, not this coach, all right, uh, yet, Wayne coach. Okay, and then my tune. Gracias.